we are going to install in this harness the coolant temperature switch. When the temperature of the coolant passes the limit, the contacts of the switch open and the engine stops. This is the coolant temperature switch. In temperature we have coolant temperature switch and coolant temperature sensor. Where are located those switch and sensor? Both of them are located in the thermostat housing. The thermostat housing that you have in the screen right now is a typical thermostat housing with two holes. One hole for the coolant temperature switch and other hole for the coolant temperature sensor. Once again, the coolant temperature switch is used to stop the engine, to interrupt the purple cable. And the coolant temperature sensor have two functions. One function is send a signal for the temperature gauge, and other cable is the signal for the computer, enter into the computer. The sensor is used to activate or send signal to the computer and send signal to the gauge. And the switch is used to kill the engine. Ready? Now we are ready to install. In this moment the engine is running, and we need to install the coolant temperature switch. Where is located the coolant temperature switch? On the thermostat housing. Okay, we are going to install both of those switches here. This is the purple cable to keep the engine running, fuel transfer pump and solenoid fuel injection pump. Okay, I am going to install my coolant temperature switch here. Both of them, this is coolant switch, coolant temperature switch. For temperature, what is the color for the signal? Is tan color. Tan for temperature.